Goldwing Rider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who is fearless, a young loner on a crusade to championing the cause in a world of reckless automobiles. These are my motovlogs.
What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chris, and today I will be showing you and demonstrating the sound quality of the Sena SM10. Some of you guys have purchased this and you are unhappy with the sound quality. You're not sure if it's the SM10 or if it's your headset, or maybe it's the procedure that you are using to listen to your audio through your wireless helmet. Either way, I'm going to show you the steps that I use to connect my SM10 to my wireless helmet and listen to music on my Honda Goldwing. So these are the steps. Okay, so I'm going to lay my SM10 here, and I will be using my Sena 20S to help in this demonstration. Also, I will be using my wired microphone to help with the audio. Step one, the first thing I want to do is turn on the wireless helmet. I'm going to place my microphone in the helmet so you can listen to the voice prompts. So I'm going to connect my lapel mic into my helmet so you can hear the voice prompts. I want to turn on the unit. Step one is to turn on your wireless helmet.
Hello. Device connected.
Okay, that was step one. I have turned on the wireless helmet. Step two, I'm going to turn on the Sena SM10 and listen to the voice prompt in the helmet. So I'm going to place my microphone back in the helmet and then turn on the Sena SM10.
Media connected.
Okay, you heard the voice prompt, media connected, and if you notice, you have a red light on the Sena that's a solid red light, and a flashing blue light. When I turn on the Goldwing and connect the SM10, the red light will disappear and you will get just a flashing blue light. So now I'm going to put the microphone back in the helmet and listen to the voice prompts as I turn on the Goldwing. Now, if you notice, I have a flashing blue light. The red light has disappeared. That means that the Sena SM10 is connected to my wireless helmet. One of the things that you need to do is go into the settings and turn on the headphone. So I'm going to go down to the biggest button. I'm going to press it 4 times. Make sure that your headphone is on and not off. You want to go ahead and select on. Okay, now you have the headphones indicating that your audio will be coming through your headphones. So now I will be placing my lapel microphone in the helmet to let you guys listen to the audio that's coming from the SM10 that's connected to my wireless helmet. So there you have it. And you have been listening to the audio that's coming from the Goldwing to the SM10 that's transmitted over to the wireless helmet. So just make sure that you turn on your wireless helmet first. Step 1. Turn on the Sena SM10. Step 2. Step 3 would be to turn on the motorcycle's audio. If you do it in those 3 steps, your audio will sound fine. Or you do it out of the sequence that I've showed you here today, then your audio may be reduced. I hope I cleared up some of your questions about the sound quality of the SM10 to your wireless helmet. This is your boy Chris, and I will talk to you guys later. See ya.
Being on some chill, we go 0 to 100 real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bill, and I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your worth. My actions being louder than my words. How you sold, I been still sold down to earth. Wanna do it, we can do it on the turf. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie and the vet. Shout out to the b****s out here holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keep scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see some that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, the 6 ain't friendly, but this way I lay up. I been Steph Curry with the shot, been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot, boy. 360 with the wrist, boy. Hey, serious, boy. OVO, man, we really with the boy. Yeah, really with probably sound of hit, boy, cause I got all the hits, boy.